Hey guys, Chef Liu, and today I'm going to be making a special dish just for you. For this dish, you need a bowl and a fork. So without further ado, let's do it. So, first thing you want to do is you want to fill the bowl with water, tap water, until it's 3/4 full. But now, I'm thinking, water's so boring, so plain. So, you're gonna chuck it out. You're gonna take this, you're gonna place it with Sprite. Because you know, you can't go wrong with Sprite. So, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna light the fire. After that's done, you're gonna put your stove, your bowl on top of the fire. Now, take your Sprite, open it up, and pour it in. Now, you're gonna take your fork, and you're gonna stir it around. You can already taste good. Now you're gonna lower down the fire just a bit so you don't burn it. Tastes like Sprite. Now, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your lemon juice. Now, you just have to figure out how to open this thing. Okay, now that's open. You're gonna pour in just a bit now. Oh. After we've done adding the lemon juice, next thing you're gonna do is add in some chocolate. You know, this chocolate's good. You know, so you're gonna add in the chocolate. And what you wanna do is you're gonna break it up. You know, break it up with your hands. And we've added that in. Let's take something which is close to my heart. Ketchup. See that? That's ketchup right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add just a bit, you know, just enough to add flavoring. Ketchup, yeah, good. Now, what you're gonna do is give it a stir, you know. You can smell it coming out already, you know. You know that? You can smell it, you know. Now, next thing you're gonna do is, and I know what you're thinking, an onion. Yep, that's right, an onion. I just have something to say. This onion has been in the house for like 3 years and nobody's used it, so I decided to just use it, you know. So you wanna do is just drop it in like that. Just that, you know, you don't even need to cut it. Give that a stir. You can smell it coming out. Now next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add something even more closer to hot dogs, and that is relish. If you can get any though. There we are. Oh, looks like diarrhea. Oh, can't wait to try this. Now, after we stir that, oh, look at that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. See that? It's gorgeous. Now, for my final ingredient, we're gonna take canned tuna. Now you're gonna just add a bit, you know, everything in. Everything in, okay. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna stir it. And to top things off, we're gonna add a bit of water. After about 3 hours of simmering, we now turn off the fire. And now, let's get eating.
You are aware you're gonna have to eat the dish, right?
What? Supposed to eat it?
Yep.
Oh. Okay. For you, I'll do it. So, without. Let's eat it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you can make this dish at home.